Now's a great time to be growing herbs in containers. Let me share a few ideas for thriller, filler, and spiller combination herb containers. For combo number 1, curry plant is the thriller with its woolly, silver gray, needle-like, aromatic foliage that are great with egg dishes. The filler is the mounding spicy globe basil, having a pleasant spicy scent and flavor, and perfect for tomato recipes. And the spiller is creeping rosemary, with scented bluish green needle-like foliage sprawling over the container edge. Combo number 2 has a fruity theme, and the thriller is lemongrass, and it does thrill in Thai dishes with its lemony hints of ginger flavor. Lemon basil is the filler. The lemon-scented foliage is a great accent for fish or poultry dishes. The spiller is pineapple mint, with a delicate pineapple scent, and foliage having creamy variegation and edges. For combo number 3, upright rosemary is a thrilling plant with wonderfully aromatic foliage that's fantastic in stews and baked dishes. Purple sage is the filler, with textured foliage that emerges a handsome reddish purple and is great in sausage or stuffing recipes. The spiller is English thyme. The aromatic gray-green leaves are wonderful with poultry dishes and an essential part of herb bundles called bouquet garni. Making combo herb containers is an attractive way to open up a whole new world in the garden and the kitchen. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.